Hola, fellow, who knows, dude? No, guys, oh my god. Remember when, oh my throat, ugh, I need a Halls girl, you need a cough girl, yeah, okay, I'll explain why I have the cough drops in the background. So, basically, I was like, I woke up, I was like, wow, my throat hurts. I went to school, I was like, oh my god, my throat hurts. I'm coughing, Corbin. Oh my god, Corbin, you got them all over. Corbin, what the heck, man? But I actually did. Oh my god, Sartorius wifey. Sartorius wifey.
This is my baby. This is my baby.
That's for you, baby girl. Oh my god, I just danced and she didn't even subscribe. But still, I danced, so bless up. Bless up. Who subscribed? Okay, guys. Yes, I'm sick again. I get sick so much. So much more things from coronavirus. I get sick so much. Cough on me. That's disgusting. So, guys, remember last podcast? We need some crazy stuff. Okay? Now, I feel like this is like weird. Like, it's just like there. It's just like, What'd you do to Arya's mom? I did not stab her. I stand her. Guys, come on. Okay. So, what do you guys think? So, guys, last podcast, we played, like, these, what's it called? The quizzes? The tests? I think we should do another test. Those are so fun. Those are so fun. We already did the gay test. We already did the, what celebrity am I? What celebrity am I? Quiz. Do the straight test. So we do straight. We did the ugly one. Okay, no. The straight test. Oh, guys. All right. Just open up real quick. Just everybody be quiet. Everybody be quiet. Just listen closely. Get close as possible to your headphones. Just get close, guys. Trust me. Listen. That was not me, guys. Guys, it was a ghost. Guys, I have ghosts. Oh my god. Guys, I have ghosts in my room. No. Alright, let's do which what is it called? Bob Duncan, it's called Charlie. Where's Charlie? Good luck. Charlie character am I? This is great. See, I'm having a blast. Okay, start. Oh my god, this is gonna be so good. What is my talent? Is it being sneaky and up to mischief? Obviously. Oh my god, official Ashley.
This is my baby. This is my baby.
Thank you so much for subscribing. Alright. Guys, what's my talent? Okay. Alright. Being sneaky and up to mischief. Being cute. Guys, I am not, what's his name? I can't name drop. Being sneaky, I'm a sneaky boy. Guys. I actually went on. Oh my god. I forgot. We were gonna post an Instagram post, but we live now, honey. Being sneaky enough to. Okay, we'll put D because apparently you guys think I look like a frog. So, alright. Who's your fave? PJ? Is that a question? Gabe. Gabe. Alright. Gabe? Wait, alright guys, just tell me which one to pick. Just tell me which one. Okay. One second. Gabe! Okay. Alright, cool. What? Ivy! Star Wars Ivy, oh my god, I need to fan you up. Thank you so much for the bars. Thank you so much. Alright, who's your babe? Ivy, Emmett, PJ, Joe. But I hate her. There's no better options. Alright, y'all. Y'all, Ivy. Ivy. Who's Joe? Who is that? Joe. Ivy, y'all. Ivy's my fave. Oh my god. I feel like that's like everyone that goes to Mario school. I promise you. You can like, they all remind me of Ivy. Are you bad? Like, oh my god. Oh, I just had to do something real quick.
Cameron. Hey. And so, thank you. Late nights, no dress code. She stay fly like Let's Go. Don't have no reasons. Ain't got no M.O. See a lifestyle, stay bankroll. But she work by get eight though. Yeah, she might get ratchet, but she know she bad though. She know she bad though.
That's actually one of my favorite songs. I'm not kidding. I'm not. That's actually one of my favorite songs. It's on my Spotify playlist. Hi, Dad. Yo! What's up? Wait, I know I got this. It's Dylan and David. I got it that time. See? No, I get confused with twins. And I'm like, what? Alright, yeah. I still can't tell the goons apart. I've known them for 10 months. I've known the goons for 10 months. I cannot tell them apart. So, I mean, just probably not going to happen anytime soon. I'm going to be able to tell you guys apart, but I can always try. Eyebrows? Don't make fun of me until you get yours checked, honey. What's your hair like? Okay, blonde and medium. I'm a dude with black. I'm a dude. Blonde and very short. Mine's like medium. Mine's medium. Mine's not long. Mine's medium. So, blonde and long. Y'all, if this is long, please leave. Leave the if this is long to you. Y'all, very short. Okay, it's not very short. Very short is like, that's like Bob Duncan's hair. We're blonde and medium. We have medium. Guys, my hair's pretty long. Goes down to my eyebrow. That's pretty long. Do you have a BF or GF? I'm too young. I can't even spell I'm. I mean, come on. No, I just got over. This is so depressing. No, but I do have a friend / enemy that's a girl. I mean, like your grandpa goes up to you. Do you have a girlfriend, son? No, but I mean, I do have a friend / enemy that's a girl. Oh, I mean, come on. I'm too young. Yes, Skylar. Who's Skylar? Joey's D. No, why do people bring up people I dated in 6th grade? But anyway, Earn not the voice. Okay, be honest, guys, be honest. Which one do I'm too young, pick B. Which one? Which one, guys? I'm serious. Guys, 100%. Like, just, alright, B. Everybody's saying B. Apparently, 14 is too young. Alright, can't date anybody. Okay, cool. What do you hate? I don't know. It sounds like an interview. Like, if I was interviewed when I was 4th grade, dude, I would literally, I don't know. Charlie's stupid pony from a long time ago. Having to spend a lot of time with PJ and nobody else. Getting dumped. Me. I don't know. I don't know. I feel like that's what Zach would say. I don't know. Get out. Alright. B. Charlie's stupid pony from a long time ago. B. Who do you hate? Emmett. Emmett did nothing wrong, okay? Okay? Emmett did nothing to deserve this. Okay. Skylar's old boyfriend. I don't know this one either. Mrs. Dabney. Mrs. Dabney, who is that? Kalina. Why is my green screen messing up? Oh, it's because my light is bad. Wait. What's this? Oh no. There we go, it's good. What the heck? I don't know. Okay. We hate Emmett. Emmett is such a loser. Get out. Alright. What's another thing you're good at? Video games? I mean, I'm good at school. I'm good at using Charlie. That's so mean. She's like 5. Like, stop. Get out. I'm a ballerina, so I don't know. I don't really have any other talents. I mean, I'm a ballerina, guys. Go on. Alright, if you could have any pet, what would it be? I don't know, a dog, a mischievous pet, a pretty pony, a snake, rat, something like that. Okay, that's Gabe. That's Gabe or PJ. I mean, I cannot be PJ. I swear, if I'm PJ, I'm jumping out the window. I'm not joking. I like a pretty pony. If you had wait, what? Why is it cut off? If you had a land all about you, what would be the first thing you would do in it? Go ride ponies, go look around, make people fall for my tricks. Who is what? Man, if I had my own like state, like I would just make people fall for my tricks. I'm a trickster. I'm a prankster. Prank gone wrong. All right. I don't know. Go look around. I will go look around, y'all. You gotta like, if you get land, you gotta like look around. You gotta see what's up. See what kind of animals, you know? Go look around. If you could have one thing that could be that for free, what would it be? Real drums for real men. Okay. You're not a real man if you don't got real drums. A pony, a spy kit. Maybe a microphone. Maybe a microphone? I don't know. Okay. See? Guys. Oh my god. What was that thing? They had a whole Target aisle for it. It was the spy kit. Spy kit, Target. Don't get spy gear. Oh my god, don't get me started. Don't get me started on this. Y'all used to get all this stuff. Oh my god. I remember William. He had these little lasers just like it would like shine up across his room. And then it would be like, wow. And then that's it. Alright. So a spy kit. That one thing for free though, a pony, dude, a pony, you can sell a pony. Bro, do you realize how much money you can make off a pony? I'm getting a pony. Y'all, I'm about to sell that thing. Oh my god. What would be a nightmare? If there were no more ponies, why are these all related to ponies? I'm really confused. Restarting my life while Charlie was still 2. Okay, who is this depressed guy? I don't know. Every time I trick someone, they would know what I actually did. Oh my god. A world of Emmett circling me over and over again. Yes! Emmett. Yes. On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate Charlie? I mean, like, guys, if you really think about it, Charlie's like hot. Like, Charlie's like not that hot. Like, oh my god, don't get me started on her. Yeah, I mean, she's like hot. Like, look at her. Like, I mean, I'd date her. Mario's tweet. What did Mario tweet? Guys, I'm really funny and hot. Alright, well, okay. She's pretty cute. So I'm rating her at least a 10. I would date. I mean, like, honey, I would. Oh, God, no. I'm gonna get arrested for a just child predator. Jesus Christ. On a scale from 1 to 100, how would you rate Charlie? What are these questions? I just said 10. Now you just multiply it by 10 and you get the same answer. Okay. 80. What's your favorite color? Pink, yellow, blue, and green. Yeah, I don't really know. You know. What's something you're horrible at? Dancing, arguing, following directions. I don't know. A lot of things I don't know about. Okay. Following directions, I'm pretty bad at that. I'm a great dancer. You think I can't dance? Don't get me started. I'm about to flame you up. Honey. I know the game screen is really weird right now. Alright. Following directions. I just gleeked everywhere. All over my mic. Guys, I just gleeked. You guys know what gleeking is? I've said this like 200 times. Oh my god. Yo. Nathan, did you see my gleek? I bet if you slowed it down, you can see it. What's something you're horrible at? I don't know. I do not. What? Behaving, understanding, or knitting. Yeah, I'm not a skilled knitter. I'm just really not. I'm not good. I mean, I do know. I bet I can do it, but hey, get out, Nathan. Leave the premises as soon as possible. Okay. Riley's wearing the pants. I am not. Alright, I don't know. How am I Charlie? Yo, I answered like everything not related to Charlie. I didn't do what? I don't believe it. I cannot do it. Alright, let's take another stupid quiz then. Alright, let's take another one. Okay. Alright. No, I don't even want to take, let's do Kahoot. Let's do something fun, y'all. Let's do Kahoot or something. Oh my, don't get me started on you. We haven't done Kahoot in 10 years. Y'all don't make me get started. Alright, sign in. I don't know my password or anything. Okay, it's already ready. Oh. Zach? What? Oh my god. Don't worry, y'all. I got him for you. Don't worry. Sartorius wifey. My green screen is messing up so bad. Zach didn't answer. Zach's Hollywood. Oh my. I just can't do it. Alright, guys. I don't know. We're about to play Kahoot though. If you want to, I mean, I thought somebody hacked my Kahoot real quick. I was like, oh no, somebody hacked my Kahoot. I'm done. It's Dunzo Rapunzo from there, kids. Okay, I cannot deal with this music. Get me out. Oh god, what's happening? Oh golly, what year was Younow created? What year was Younow created? Oh no! Turn the sound down. I legitimate. What? Well, that was fast. Jesus Christ. That was fast. Alright, keep this. Alright. Which is not a part of the group 5 quad. Here. Oh my god, you guys literally agree. Which one is it? Why is it so fast? Literally, y'all can't even get to click. Y'all can't even click. Guys, I'm in 5 quad. What are they saying? Oh, did you guys hear that? I'm actually the new member, though. They actually added me in, so, I mean, it's cool or whatever. What year was Dan Hill born? Guys, come on, Dan Hill. It's obvious. So obvious, dude. Oh, wait, I thought it said which year. It gives you like 2 seconds. You guys can't click that fast. How many bars does it take to give 400 likes? 400 likes. This is obvious. Oh, it gives you guys like 5 seconds. Okay, 5 seconds is good. You guys got it. Wow, that is a sexual coming clean. Wow, well, that is a little bit sexual. Jesus Christ. Which year did Younow or EM3 start broadcasting? I haven't seen him in a while. Oh, it gives you 5 seconds, okay? What's Snow Mariah known for, guys? It's she's known for athletics. I mean acting, same thing. Like acting, athletics. It's basically the same thing, you know what I mean? Which of these Younowers is not? Oh, these songs is not by Nick Bean. Okay, yeah, if you guys don't know this, you're a fake fan. It's blue. It's delayed. Okay, let's do a different one. But this is not gonna work. Just do a different one. It's just not working. Alright, leave. Okay. Jacob Sartorius quiz. I mean, like, I'm not gonna say I'm like a huge fan of Jacob, but like I mean, okay, wait 1 second. Oh, golly. I was gonna make it my background, but it's whatever. Alright, guys. There's the code.
Knowing that things ain't right. It's in the papers, it's on the TV, it's everywhere that I go.
I remember him making this one. He FaceTimed me before he made this. I was like, get it. Get it, babe. Alright, I think most of you guys are in. There's like 700 people in. I'm joking. He didn't FaceTime me. Alright. Alright, guys. Come on. What color are Jacob's eyes? If you don't know this, you're a fake fan. They're blue. It's kind of obvious. I'm joking, babe. It's hazel. Oh my. I'll give you guys 10 seconds. I'll give you guys 10 seconds. Boom. It's hazel. I told you. I got you. Oh my god, I got so many of you guys. I got Hype Zick. How old is Jacob? He's 14, guys. He's 14. Everybody put 14. He's 14. Yo. What did they take this picture with? Who screenshotted that? And they're... okay, you guys should have gotten it by now. If you didn't get it, you're a fake fan. It's that easy. That easy. Oh my god. Yeah. Okay, never mind. Never mind. Okay, it's 13, guys. If you didn't get that, then leave. Leave the premises, please. What? What? Angel, thank you so much for those bars. What is this? What is happening? What is this? What? No, none of the answers were. Well, that was a good question on Jacob. Alright, who are Jacob's 2 friends that broadcast and playfully make fun of him? Who are 2 of Jacob's friends that broadcast and playfully make fun of him? Playfully. Like, they're not bullying, they're just like playfully making fun of. Guys, oh my god, it's Joey. Oh, you guys, oh my god, it's Joey. It's Joey, guys. I said it was Joey. Okay. I don't know why it put me on there. I didn't say anything. I haven't said anything in the past 10 years. I don't know why he's making fun of me. Alright, next one. What is Jacob's full name? You guys can't see the bottom? Oh, okay, wait, let me move it up. Y'all crazy. Oh my god, y'all crazy. I'll do this. Is that better, guys? Can you guys see all the answers? Y'all should. You guys can see it now. Okay, perfect. Because some people on the phone can never see it. Y'all, wait, real quick. Listen. Oh my, guys. Is this weird? My poop smelled so minty today. It was like I smelled like a mint flower. It was the the crazy experience. I don't even know. I'm sorry, but what's the app Jacob got famous on? Guys, what is it? Oh, yo, what? It's literally both. It's literally both. Like, what? Guys, I really want to post an Instagram picture, but I don't know which one to post. There's, like, I have some not good ones, but I have some, oh my god, this is perfect. This is perfect. It's me holding my phone. We'll post it after the podcast. What the heck? It's none of the answers. It's none of the. It's not. Alright, Natalie's winning. Alright, what is one of the first social media accounts Jacob created? If you don't get this, you're a fake fan. Just leave the premises. I said it. Leave the premises. Okay, you're a fake fan. Oh, you're a fake fan. Leave the premises. It was fine. What is one of the last social media accounts Jacob created? It's Musically. Oh my god, Corbin. Yo, I'm tempted. Where's Corbin? He's like logged out and watching. This is disappointing me. Okay, wow, you're a fake fan. Leave. It was literally Musically. What, guys, should I post this? I'm serious. No, that's too blurry. Well, I'm gonna take a better one on when me and them next hang out. Yes, guys, Natalie is still winning. Who's the hater? Oh my god, guys. Guys, it's so obvious. If you don't get this, you're a fake fan. Okay, this quiz is literally irritating me. Can we just skip through these? Okay, what's Jacob's best friend's the broadcasting him on Thanksgiving? The cute one. It's Oliver. Yep. Alright, cool. Alright, next question. Don't ask me. What year was Jacob born? Guys, this is so obvious. It's 2001. Yeet, broke that neck 2002, baby. Hey, let's go. I know this quiz better than you. Alright, Weston Koury, you're cheating. I know you are. There's no way. She wins every single time. She wins every single broadcast we play Kahoot. Y'all, I swear, she cheats somehow. I don't know how. But somehow she gets a perfect score every time. She cheats. I'm telling you guys. She cheats. I swear. I'm not joking. I promised you. Girl. I promised you, baby, please. Play a Weston quiz. Weston. How well do you know him? 3 days ago. Is Weston Koury dead? Yes. Oh my god. How'd they know? Guys, should we do which one? Is Weston Koury dead or Weston Koury quiz? Which one? 1 or 2? Okay, 1 or the first one or the second one? Okay, is Weston Koury dead? Is he dead? This is like 4 questions. So, guys, just speed it up, honey cakes. Honey pot pie, you got this. Come on. Oh my god, Oprah! And Ellen! That was Oprah and Ellen.
So welcome to Living Brave.
Oh, that's not Ellen.
Thank you for doing this.
Copycat?
Do it! Yeah. So these are conversations about courage with people who I believe are living brave lives, who are inspiring me to be braver. And you're one of those people, so thank you. So we'll start with that.
All right.
We're going to start with a couple of words that are really important to me and really important in my work.
Okay.
Definition for me. Vulnerability is...
Why are we... Alright, next question. Okay. Are you ready? 4 questions. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you... He sucked house? Yeah, Oh my god, that actually scared me. Guys, which one is it? He sucked toes is... I love how Ron say he sucked toes. Dr. Greg comes in. What's up, Dr. Greg? Alright. Weenus, Big Papa. Blank, yeah. Or ye. Which one? Guys, oh my god, you're fake fans. It's obviously Big Papa. Bob Duncan Smexy? Okay, it's yes. It's a yes, dude. Have you seen him? Have you seen Bobby? Bob Duncan, Weston, Zach, Mario, or Goats? Goats? Yeah, goats. Is the last question. Yes? No. What is this? This doesn't make any sense. Who made this quiz? Who is this? Why? Where, when, how? Alright, next. Cool. Yeah, what? Alright. So is he dead? Rats? No, his top lip is, well, now that we've all discussed that my top lip is... Oh! Okay. Oh! Yo. Hey. This video's been so... Yo. Hey, we chilling here. I was looking up depressed music, but guess what? It's not depressed. Yo, I am okay, Ern is here, y'all. Everybody welcome Ern into the celebration station. Oh my god. Okay. You guys are gonna help me do an Instagram post, okay? Yes or no? You guys wanna help me do an Instagram? Marina, thank you so much for 1,000 bars. Oh my god. And Armageddon. Okay. You guys want to help me pick out an Instagram post? Cool. Alright, awesome, dude. Awesome. Oh, great. 10 out of 10. Alright, we're going to have to take this away. We're going to have to take the green screen away. I'm sorry, ma'am. Ma'am, I am sorry. We're going to have to take it away, alright? It's official. I'm sorry. It's going to happen. Okay. I'm going to show you guys which one I'm thinking about posting. And then you got to say yes or no. Yes, guys, it looks like my hand is an icy. Do you see this? Do you understand? My hand is an icy. My hand is an icy. Okay, wow, everybody says no. Wow, love the courage. Guys, me looking away as my hand is still an icy. Me looking away, let me repeat. Looking away as my hand is still an icy. Okay, not joking. This is serious business, okay? Okay? Who takes these? My mom. Corbin eyes. I bring my mom around with me. She takes, no, I'm joking. Alright. This one is me hanging off of a sign that says a bad word. No fishing. Please keep off beep. I can't say that word. That's a bad word. That's a bad word, y'all. Should I post that? That one? It's such a bad word. I can't do that. Oh my gosh. This is terrible. I hate my life. Who am I meeting a playlist? Wait, why did I just do that? Juliana, thanks for 500 bars. Guys, who am I actually meeting a playlist? Like, I'm being 100% Syria. I'm being Syria. Guys, I'm being 100% Syria with you. Guys, I'm being 100. Oh, sorry. That's my other. I'm being 100% Syria with you. Okay, guys, I'm not joking. I'm being Syria with you. All right, it's official. I'm serious. 100. Keep it 100. Keep it 100. 120. Blaze it. 7 Calamos. All right, y'all. Yeah, I'm so excited. But anyway, guys. Wait, somebody just said Lebanon. Yo, because that's kind of weird. Because if you didn't know, I'm actually Lebanese. I'm like 50% or so. I'm like 25% or something Lebanese. So I would be whiter, but you know, I'm still got a little bit Lebanese in me. I'm still a little black. I'm joking. All right, but yeah, no, I'm actually not joking about that. But you know, deal. All right, guys. I'm gonna get off because I really want to see what Zach's doing because he's doing like this thing with a shot color and I'm actually really excited to watch. But guys, make sure to follow my Instagram. I'm like on my last 3 music videos tonight. I'm gonna post 3 more today. Everybody do all that good stuff. Love you so much. Watch out for my Instagram post, turn on notice. All right, and everybody go to Brian Zach and say shock. What's his PP's name? No, just say shock my Enos. My Enos. E-N-U-S. Shock my Enos. I don't think that word is blocked. E-N-U-S. Shock my Enos. Okay? Everybody go to him. Alright, say that. Alright, love you guys. Ah!